Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a desk organizer with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with an 8x16 plate. We're going to set down 21 2x2 flat tiles where there is one stud reveal around the perimeter of the 8x16 plate. Back in the top left, a 1x4 Technic brick. This is going to be used to attach our dividers. I'll set down a 1x2 brick, 1x4 Technic brick, 1x2 brick, and a 1x4 Technic brick. Then I want to continue around the sides with a pair of 1x6 bricks. Place a 1x4 brick right in the middle and a pair of 1x6 bricks on both left and right hand sides. On the bottom left, skip a stud. We're going to set down a 1x4, 1x6, and 1x4 flat tiles. And then we're going to start on the left hand side with a pair of 1x4 bricks, followed by a 1x6 brick, a 1x2 brick, followed by 1x6 brick, and a pair of 1x4 bricks. In these two areas, a pair of 1x1 plates. On the left hand side, a pair of 1x6 bricks, a 1x4 brick right in the center, and a pair of 1x6 bricks on the right hand side. We're going to build up another layer, this time with plates. So we're going to take a pair of 1x6 plates, and in this area, two 1x1 plates and a set of 1x6 plates. Now I want to round off my corners, so I'm going to use a set of 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with dowel. Set that right there. Now we're going to flat tile the top of our tray with several flat tiles. We're going to start right here with two 1x6 flat tiles, then a 1x4 flat tile in the center, followed by another pair of 1x6 flat tiles. For a pin holder, we're going to start with a 6x6 plate. I'm going to set down four 2x2 flat tiles to finish off the bottom. Just be sure to leave a one stud reveal all the way around. In the back, a 1x4 brick, and in the front, a 1x4 Technic brick. This is going to be used to attach our holders to our red tray. Then I want to proceed on with a set of 1x6 bricks. Then I'm going to place a 1x6 brick in the back, followed by a set of 1x4 bricks, followed by 1x6 brick. Let's build this up 6 more levels of bricks. Then we're going to proceed on with a pair of 1x4 bricks, followed by a set of 1x6 bricks. And we're going to proceed on building this up 5 more layers of bricks. So just take plenty of 1x4 and 1x6 bricks. We're going to start caking these on here. Now I could just speed build through this, but what would be the fun of that? So we're just going to do this. And these type of projects are always fun to put together. So why rob you, the viewer, the fun? We're getting close to the top here. You notice I'm keeping all my joints crisscrossed to make these dividers really strong. You can put all sorts of stuff in there like pins and rulers and scissors, stuff like that. And right here, a 1x4 flat tile. Just be sure your flat tile is on the same side as your 1x4 Technic brick. I'm going to place a 1x4 brick in the back, followed by a set of 1x6 bricks. Then a set of 1x1 plates right in these two areas. Then I want to wrap around with a pair of 1x4 bricks and a 1x6 brick in the back. And then we're going to continue on with 3 1x4 plates. And in these two areas, set of 1 by 1 by 1 1/3 width down, and to smooth off the top, a pair of 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 flat tiles. I'm going to make 2 of these. This one here is in dark green, and I made a yellow one. This one here is 2 bricks higher. It's built the same way. Kind of give it a bit more character. Now we're going to take 6 friction pins. I'm going to populate 2 in each of these 1 by 4 Technic bricks. Now what these are going to do is anchor this to the main tray here. And also, if you want, you can reconfigure this. And of course, if you want, you can make these boxes different colors to your liking. And now we can just put them in the back of here. I'm just going to start plugging things in. There we go, that's one. And this makes a great desk organizer, especially if you're in a cubicle where everything's white and boring. This will add a nice splash of color.